Believe it or not, 3D printing has been around since the 1980s. And since then, 3D printers have been used to print things from baby Yodas to houses made of concrete, chocolate candy, and even human hearts. What makes 3D printing unique is that it is an additive manufacturing process. Traditionally, many manufactured objects were made using a subtractive manufacturing process. In subtractive manufacturing, you start with a raw material such as wood or metal, and then you mill, cut, or subtract the parts away until you reach your finished object. In additive manufacturing, you create an object by, you guessed it, adding material. So in the case of 3D printing, you add one thin layer of material at a time, and you build it layer by layer until your object is complete. Now, it's not like subtractive manufacturing is going away. It's nice to have both, but there's a few reasons to be excited about 3D printing. My favorite example is this gyroscope. When it printed, it came out looking like this, a few rings seemingly stuck together. But when you pick it up, you realize that it can move. The printer was able to print the gyroscope with the rings already attached. With subtractive manufacturing, you would have to print each ring separately and then pop them into place. With additive manufacturing, that's just one piece. As another example, this 3D printed pyramid is actually hollow inside. To make this using subtractive manufacturing, you would have to create two separate pieces and then attach them together. But because 3D printing builds an object one layer at a time, making a hollow structure is quite simple. Now, I could go on and on about all the cool things that you can make with 3D printers, but let's pause and recap what we know so far. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process, which just means that a 3D printer builds an object by adding material layer by layer by layer. In the next video, we will learn about the process of creating a 3D print all the way from beginning to end.